Welcome, students, to writing class. Okay, boys and girls, today you're going to need a spiral and a pencil. So make sure you have some writing paper and you're ready to learn. Go ahead and grab those materials. I'll wait here if you need to. Or you can pause this video. Are you ready to learn? Okay, let's get started. Welcome to writing class. Today we're going to talk about opinion writing. What is opinion writing? Well, opinion writing is when we're talking about our own opinion. So one thing that we do with opinions is they're unique to every individual. Let's practice stating our own opinion. What is your favorite ice cream? Good. That is your favorite ice cream. That is what we call your opinion. Miss Kay's favorite ice cream is mint chocolate chip. That's my opinion. My favorite ice cream is mint chocolate chip because I like the mint flavor with hints of chocolate crunch. That is my opinion. Notice how our opinions might be different or the same. They're unique to every individual. That's what makes them an opinion. And when we are opinion writing, we're going to go ahead and state our opinion and then give reasons why that's our opinion. And then at the end, we're going to state our opinion again, okay? So for today, for our learning targets, we are going to make sure that we introduce our topic, state our opinion, provide reasons, and use linking words. That just means make sure that our paragraph flows nicely together and that our thoughts are linked in a nice way, like a chain. Our next learning target is I can provide a concluding statement. That means that at the end, we wrap up our idea with a nice bow at the end so it makes sense to our reader. Okay, let's go ahead to our next slide. Here we have an opinion, and I'm going to read this example out loud for us today. Are you ready? Here we go. In my opinion, apples are the best fruit. I believe you should eat apples because they give you energy and are filled with vitamins. I prefer apples over other fruits because they are juicy and sweet. I know apples are the best because you can cut them easily to share with a friend. Everyone should eat apples. Okay, so the author who wrote this opinion piece, their opinion is that what fruit do they like the best? Apples, exactly. Then they gave us reasons why they like apples. They told us right here that their first reason is they give you energy and are filled with vitamins. That's one reason. The second reason they said is they are juicy and sweet. That's two reasons. And the third reason they said is you can cut them easily to share with a friend. That's three reasons they gave us why they think apple is the best fruit. And notice at the end, they conclude their statement and they conclude it with a sentence. It reads, everyone should eat apples. Now remember, this is an opinion, so it doesn't necessarily mean it's true, right? Some people might think oranges are the best fruit or watermelon is the best fruit. That is where we have different opinions. Let's go ahead and take a look at our next slide. For our writing prompt today, I want you to think about what is inside both the perfect sack lunch, so a lunch that you can pack and take somewhere, and the worst sack lunch. So while we're learning today, think of that while we look at our next slides. And remember, when we write opinions, we want to give reasons that support our opinion and use linking words like because, since, for example, and also. Let's take a look at some of our opinion topics. What is your favorite animal, fruit, subject, color, grade, sport, activity, dessert, show, season, holiday, or book. Notice how all of these favorites are opinions. They're all different from one another. My favorite animal might be the zebra, and your favorite animal might be a cat. We have different opinions. Another example that we can have is our lunch. So let's go ahead and brainstorm some ideas about the perfect sack lunch. And then later on, maybe in our next lesson, we'll talk about the worst sack lunch. So let's think of the perfect sack lunch. Remember, we're going to be as creative as we want. We can pick anything. Okay, let's think of some ideas. What about, do you like pizza? Ooh, pizza's a good one. Ooh, sushi, that's a good idea. Ooh, spaghetti, that's a good one too. What about, ooh, a turkey sandwich? That's always a classic. What else? Ooh, I love that, ramen. What else could we pick? Chocolate cake, I love that answer. Fried rice. I love that answer too. Tacos. Sounds delicious. Look at all of these ideas that we picked. Now let's choose one idea and expand on it. Which one should we choose? Pizza, sushi, spaghetti, turkey sandwich, ramen, chocolate cake, fried rice, or tacos? Ooh, I agree. Let's choose pizza. Okay, pizza is going to be our main item in our perfect sack lunch. What else could we add? Let's think about what we could add for our drink. What could we add? Ooh, okay, let's brainstorm. Orange juice. Good. Ooh, soda. A root beer shake. I love these ideas. Ooh, orange soda. That's a good choice. Ooh, milk. I love it. Apple juice. These are all fabulous choices. Okay, let's pick one. Ooh, let's choose soda. We are choosing our perfect sack lunch. We have soda, we have pizza. Now let's brainstorm our dessert. What should we put in our dessert for the perfect lunch? Ooh, I love that idea. Donuts, cookies, cake. Ooh, sour gummy worms. That's a good idea. Okay, let's pick one. I agree. I like cookies too. Okay, now we have our perfect lunch. Soda, pizza, and cookies. Okay, now that we've brainstormed like good writers, now we're going to talk about how we can formulate this into a paragraph. So remember our checklist over here. We want to introduce the topic, we want to state our opinion, we want to give reasons, and we want to conclude. That means have an ending for it. And our topic, remember, is the perfect sack lunch. So let's go ahead and start. But before we start writing, let's remember our little acronym that will help us learn about opinion writing. And this is OREO. It stands for O, opinion, R, reasons, E, examples, O, opinion. So if you don't remember how to write your opinion, always think Oreo, opinion, reasons, example, opinion, Oreo. Okay, students, let's start writing. Grab your piece of paper. What we're going to do now is we're going to write our name and date in the upper right-hand corner. So I'm going to write Charlie Brown, 4/4/24. That is the date today. That means April 4th, 2004. That's our date. Okay, remember opinion writing. We're going to introduce our topic, and our topic is the perfect sack lunch. So let's start with our thinking words. For our topic, we want to introduce our topic by using these helpful words here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose our first word to help us. the first thing we can do is in my opinion. So let's start with in my opinion, comma, the perfect sack lunch is pizza. That introduces our topic. Now we're going to state our reasons. Okay, to start with, pizza is easy to eat because you can eat it with your hands. That's one reason. I'm going to give a second reason. Another reason is pizza has delicious melted cheese on top. Good, that's my second reason. And then my third reason, most importantly, pizza can be packed easily and warmed up on the go. Okay, that's my next reason, but now I need my concluding statement. So at the end, I'm going to put, now you will agree, pizza is the best sack lunch. And we're done. We wrote our opinion. We started with our opinion, we gave 3 reasons, and we finished with a concluding statement. Let's read it together one more time. Are you ready? Here we go. In my opinion, the perfect sack lunch is pizza. To start with, pizza is easy to eat because you can eat it with your hands. Another reason is pizza has delicious melted cheese on top. Most importantly, pizza can be packed easily and warmed up on the go. Now you will agree, pizza is the best sack lunch. Okay, students, I hope you enjoyed this opinion writing lesson today. And if you would like, please pause this video so you can write this paragraph on your paper too. Bye.